हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today we discuss about most important concept of market structure. Today topic is oligopoly. Oligopoly is the one parts of market structure, that is the imperfect market structure. In an oligopoly market structure, there are just few independent firms that are collectively dominate the markets. When the individually powerful, each of these firms also cannot prevent other competing firms from holding sway over the markets. Depending on the industry, each of the firms may sell the products that are somewhat differentiate from those of the other firms. Their independent means that they are also likely to change their price according to their competitor. For example, if Coca-Cola changes its price, Pepsi is also likely to do the same. Oligopolies exist worldwide and may in fact be increasing in prevailing over the times. In oligopoly, the relatively small number of participating company collaborates outright or secretly to gain extra market return by the placing restrictions on output by the price fixing. Those companies are technically competitors in their industries, but in practice they often collude with one another to increase their collective profit. That is the that is the form of cartel, as consumers are forced by pay more. Oligopolies tends to emerge in particular kind of situations. Factor that can contribute to the existence of oligopoly includes a special legal privilege. This is one of way the government can support the existing of oligopoly markets. For instance, if the firms have a special permission to use land for infrastructure like railroads, platform that land to increase in value as they gain more users. Social media platforms. Oligopoly have number of significant downsides, particularly for consumers. Their existence in a given industry can prevent new firms from entering the industry, while also inhibiting innovation and creativity. Prices for consumers are higher than they would otherwise be because competitors and usual law of supply and law of demand are not operating as normal. The result of this higher price of consumer is higher profit margin for a firm involved in oligopoly. The existing of monopoly means difference between monopoly market and oligopoly market. The existing of monopoly means there is just one firm in given industry, while duopoly refers to the market structure with exactly two or more than two firms. Means an oligopoly involves two firms, two or more than two firms. Technically, there is not maximum number of firms that can be exist in the oligopoly market. That means the only few markets, few firms in that market. But as rules there have to be few powerful firms. Oligopoly market classified into collusive oligopoly and non-collusive oligopoly. In non-collusive oligopoly, profit margin only few firms involved in that market, and each firm and price making separately, and price war exists at that firm. But in collusive oligopoly markets, jointly profit. Three firms are jointly profit, getting the profit, jointly produce for the getting the maximization of profit, and that forms leaders industry lead to the oligopoly markets, and all and others are low. Collusive oligopoly divided in two parts: price leadership markets and cartel market. And in cartel market, jointly production for profit maximization, and in price leadership, those firms produce at low price. He is leader of the markets and decide the price of the markets. Thank you.